Just one thing to look out for, if you are a complainant in a housebreaking with intent to steal and theft concerning the masjid itself, and you as the imam or the committee member has to go and represent the masjid, you will have to go. Maulana Bacha comes in Fajr time, and Uncle Taipi or the Muaddin, other Maulana Shafi says, I found the window is broken in the front, the microphones are gone, and so etc., 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 etc. So now the police come, they lift fingerprints, and somebody from the masjid, or if it's in a madrasa, you are the appa, the principal, the teacher, your classroom was broken into, somebody has to take charge of and give ownership at that time. So, under this charge here, under the madrasa or the masjid environment, it's not your own property. It's the property of the masjid, but you can't go call the masjid to testify in court. Somebody has to go say, last night, it starts off with, Sheikh Salamtu, after performing Isha Salah, I locked up the masjid, all the windows were closed and all the doors were securely closed. Because one of the elements in proving this offense is disbursement or breaking of the property or the perimeter thereof in getting in. So somebody will have to go and testify about that. And you will have to give the list of what was stolen and how you knew what it was. Now, this can also be housebreaking with intent. Now, the housebreaking offense is always read with Section 262 of the Criminal Procedure Act. Because now the prosecutor leads this evidence and your statement doesn't say, oh, what the person done was also he urinated in the masjid. Okay? Money to clean the carpet and so forth. So, in that, if that section is coupled with this, if they do add it, which they should, then the charge can also be altered to housebreaking with intent to steal, theft, and desecration of a holy place. It's not a statuted offense, but it's a common law offense that the person can be charged with. And it's important for you because then you as the imam, as the maulana, as the madrasa teacher, you know it costs 3,000 rand to have the carpet cleaned or replaced or so forth. That is important also because you can then ask the prosecutor, when you put the charges, put a Section 300, Section 300 of the Criminal Procedure Act, added to the charge, which means that from when the accused pleads, he's aware of Section 300 is there. Section 300 says that, besides him being convicted, this is the invoice, we want the court to make him pay for the repairs that he caused by committing the housebreaking and for the desecration that had taken place over there. And there I think I dealt with that. Specific offences committed against minors who are prosecuted in the regional court. When the victims or complainants are children in relation to any common law offence, depending on the level, serious severity of the offence and the harm, injury sustained, is considered by a specific senior public prosecutor and such facts that motivate, support a sentence. Example, if an adult is 35 years old, assaults a child of 3 years old, or under the age of 18 years. And that's it.